Hello and welcome to our channel. Today, we'll be showing you how to make the perfect chicken sheekh kebab, a popular Indian and Pakistani dish that's loved by many. So, let's get started. For this recipe, you'll need 500 g of ground chicken, 1 finely chopped onion, 2 cloves of minced garlic, a grated inch of ginger, a quarter cup each of fresh coriander and mint leaves, 1 teaspoon each of cumin powder, coriander powder, garam masala powder, red chili powder, and salt, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of oil, and some wooden skewers soaked in water for 30 minutes. In a large mixing bowl, combine the ground chicken, chopped onion, minced garlic, grated ginger, chopped coriander leaves, chopped mint leaves, cumin powder, coriander powder, garam masala powder, red chili powder, salt, and lemon juice. Mix well to combine all the ingredients. Divide the chicken mixture into equal portions and mold each portion around a soaked wooden skewer, forming a cylindrical shape. Brush the chicken sheekh kababs with oil on all sides. Preheat a grill to medium-high heat. Grill the chicken skewers for 10 to 12 minutes, turning them occasionally to ensure even cooking. Once the chicken is cooked through and golden brown, remove from the grill and serve hot with chutney or a yogurt dip. And there you have it, the perfect chicken sheekh kebab. We hope you enjoyed this recipe and don't forget to like and subscribe for more delicious recipes.